Hi, this is Boris. Welcome to my channel. I just want to take a little bit of your time to just talk to you about a really exciting project that we're working on that we've created. So I tried to do this in front of the camera, but it was just I made so many mistakes. I just said to myself, I'll just do this with my comic strips. By the way, I made this comic strip for my Instagram, Comics by Boris. So I'm just going to talk over it. So please bear with me and thank you in advance. Hello everyone, I have great news. We have created a free online art magazine for independent artists called BKK UNZINE. Please subscribe and you can read our magazine on all devices in your inbox. You can subscribe and become a reader with the link in my bio. Of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can click in the link in the description below. If you missed the first issue, you can go to our blog and read the archives for free, bangkokunzine.wordpress.com. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. This is a really free magazine for independent artists, so please subscribe and I'll see you later.